Run-of-mine or stockpile reporting is critical in mining because it provides a clear understanding of the quantity of ore extracted from the mine. In this video, we'll show how to determine ore volumes from point cloud data. As a first step, we'll download the data from Trimble Connect. Trimble Connect enables seamless data sharing and collaboration for all the project team members. After the file is downloaded, clean the point cloud and ensure that you have the area that you want to focus on. You can also take a three-dimensional view at your data. This is the stockpile that we want to report on. Open the Mines tab and click the Extract Stockpile tab. You can pick a point on your stockpile, and the best point would be the top of the stockpile to ensure that you get the best results. Choose the stockpile size or the range within which you want to do your analysis. And for this stockpile size, we'll go with the medium selection. Create a new layer for your stockpile. In this case, we are only doing an analysis for one stockpile, but this becomes very efficient and important when you have to analyze several stockpiles. After the analysis is done, you can generate a report, and the report will show the volume, the date of the calculation, and the time as well. You can choose to either export your report as a PDF, an Excel, or Word file. So in this case, we are going to save our report as a PDF file. After the report is created, you can also upload it to Trimble Connect for sharing with the rest of the team members. And there you have your report in Trimble Connect.